Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today we are going to draw Bluey, the super cute little blue dog from the show of the same name, Bluey. And before we get started, I would love if you could leave a comment and let me know something you would like to learn how to draw next, or maybe subscribe if you are not already subscribed to this channel, and maybe leave a like. That would be awesome too. All right, folks, so let's get started drawing Bluey. I'm going to start with his eye. I'm going to start about right here. We can do a bit of an oval, like that. And one on the inside too, and on the inside we can color that one in all black. Like that. And up above we can do a thick eyebrow. Now let's do a line like this right here. And then we're going to make a little triangle here at the end. It's upside down triangle. And right here we can do like a half circle, half an oval, and another of the same shape but a lot smaller, and color that in all black. And this is the other eye. Now let's do the other eyebrow. And here on the nose, we can do a smaller little oval. So same shape as the eyebrow, but just a lot smaller there in the nose. That's just where the light is hitting the nose. So now from the nose, we can come on down a little bit, like that. And here underneath the eye, we can do a little curve right there. And then we're going to make this here match up with right here. It's going to be like a little smile. So we're going to come on down this way and then bring that line over and match it up right there. Now we are going to do a little bit of a curvy line. We're going to come in between the smile and the eye. And we're going to curve to right here. And we're going to do another one like that. So we're curving down and going right there. So next thing we're going to do, I'm going to do a line right here for the side of the face and make that meet up here with the little eyebrow, and do a line right here between the eyebrows, and it's going to come on out over this way. Bring it out a little bit more. And now we can bring this line down. And let's do some ears. So they're slanted triangles. And the inside is the same, only a bit smaller. And right here, he's got a dark blue patch. So we're going to put that in. So we can put a little start of a circle here, and then it's going to go on like past the eye, and then right here we can finish it off. And over here on this side, there's another one. So we're just going to put a line right here, and then that's it for that side. And let's bring a line down right here for an arm. We're going to start the arm here and bring it down right here as well for the other side. And we can do a little finger, another little line, and another little one, and connect it to that line. And we can do a little line right here to separate the two different blue colors we're going to be using. And right here we can bring this line down a bit more, and then curve right here when we get to the fingers. And we can do a little spot right here and another little spot. And this line, we're going to bring this down about here and bring it on over like that. And then we can do a big curve and come on down. And let's do some feet. So bring a line down and another line. And we can do a shape like this, almost like he's wearing a boot. And do a line right here, so it really looks like he'd be wearing a boot, but he's not. And do a line like that, and another one for some little toes. And then we're going to do the exact same thing again right here for his other leg. Make it look like he's almost wearing a boot. And do his little toes. And now his tail. So we can come on out and start to curve down a little bit. But now we're going to do another little curve, and then another one, and another one, and then bring it on back there. And we're going to put a curve right there. And there we go, folks. We are finished our drawing. And now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, folks, we're finished drawing our picture. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Goodbye.